welcome to my channel Learn with Hafiz. Today we will be doing something differently. Today we have come up with the interesting puzzles which will definitely enhance your mathematical proficiency, and also you will gain so much logical thinking. So let's get started. Question number 1 or puzzle number 1. Which number is missing? You have this number 27 followed by 54 and question mark and 108 and 135, and the number goes like this. So can you figure out what is the right answer? Your time starts now. And if you get the answer, please feel free to comment so that we can verify whether your answer is accurate or not. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The answer is 81. How we got 81? It is just a factor that the previous number we need to add it. 54 plus 27, you get 81. And the same pattern goes. Puzzle number 2. What number should replace the question mark? And you have three set of data. One set of data is 40, 60. In the middle you have 50. Another set of data 85, 99. In the middle you have 92. And the same thing, you need to figure out this one. Your time starts now. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and the answer is 39. How we got 39? Just to give you a background one. So 53 plus 25, you will get 78 by 2. The same pattern you can apply here. 40 plus 60 is 100 by 2 is 50. Puzzle number 3. Just hurry up. If you find the answer, you can immediately comment it so that we can you can put the question mark like a puzzle number so that we can relate the answer also as well. Let's say you got the answer for puzzle number 3, you can put in puzzle number 3 and what is the answer. What number should replace the question mark? And you have these three set of data and your time starts now. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And the answer is 34. How we got 34? 8 plus 9 is 17. Whatever the result you get it, you need to multiply by 2. The same applies here. 5 plus 7 is 12. Into 2 is 24. Puzzle number 4. Puzzle number 4 seems to be easier. I'm sure that you will able to find it out less than 10 seconds. What is the value of the following expression? So you got the numerator in the multiply and the denominator you have the sum. So your time starts now. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And the answer is 9. Simple. So just multiply, you will get 81 by 9 is 81 by 9 is 9. If you've already got the answer is 9, let me congratulate you. Puzzle number 5. This is the final one. What comes next? You got the number pattern and you need to figure out what the answer. Let me count. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. If you found the answer, just please feel free to comment. The answer is 95. How got 95? It is simple. 47 into 2 plus 1. This is the pattern it follows throughout the equation. So thank you so much for watching this, and hope you might have got some great understanding on the logical thinking of through the mathematical expressions. And please do like and share and subscribe my channel. Learn with Hafiz. Have a nice day ahead.